Okay, so where is the music? Okay. Okay, so we are live. Okay, so welcome to day 9. Yesterday we deployed our UFC Predictor app. Test link is in the description. I'll share it also in the chat. It's currently deployed to Vercel. And today we are giving the real name, logo, fixing the dark mode, cleaning up for the production, and testing the live event experience before this weekend's fights. And also have a couple of features in the to-do list, which we'll go one by one today and implement. That's the plan for today. Otherwise, we are all set up. Sound seems fine. Grab some water. Okay, so let me open the to-do list for today. Okay, so let me share link. It's here. Okay, so we have the link. We will need Stitch today. Opening the Claude terminal. Let's open the second terminal. Okay. So okay, first I guess I'll start with logo. Okay. Okay, so can Stitch generate logos actually? That's the question. Not sure it can. No, please generate a logo for an MMA brand called Cagewise. Logo generator. I guess Gemini should be a good option still for logo generation. Okay, first of all, I'll start. Cagewise looks ugly. Image generation. Let's go to LLM Arena. LLM Arena. Oh no, it's designing the landing page. Okay, I should stop it. Let's throw the image like this. This is my landing page, and the logo is in the header, as you can see. The name of the brand is Cagewise. Please generate a better logo. Give me 5 variations. Okay, so text code, text to image vision, image edit. I guess vision is for the images, so Gemini 3 Pro is still the best. So GPT, I'm trying with GPT as well. This is the GPT version, Cagewise. I don't like it. Please generate 5 variations. 5 more. I think I can generate here. Is this we don't want skull. Please generate 5 different variations. These logos are all looking like the same. Try totally different approaches. Okay, let it be like this for a while. Yes, update also title to cage wise, and let's have some slogan applied to the title. And also we need to update the meta tags so it's more relevant to our app. Please do that. Actually, KHY is the nickname of some fighter. It's not cool. This title is also not cool, kind of your second screen. Fight night. Okay, so one thing we need to fix. Okay, now we need to fix the content on the landing page. The content on the landing page is not taking the full width. If you compare the header full width and the content on the landing page, the content is shorter in width. And can you please adjust so the content is in line with the width of the header? Let's plan out the toggle button in the header for switching the theme of the website. Currently it's not functional, it only toggles the theme of the header and footer. Let's plan so once it's toggled, the color changes is applied to the whole app. Let's plan out in a way that we do it efficiently, so we have kind of general state, so we don't hard code each component individually. Okay, now it did full height, which kind of doesn't look nice. Maybe I should revert it. Yeah. Okay, one important task we have. Let's open up one more terminal. So we need to do one change. In the header we have a simulate route, and we need to get rid of it in the prod branch. We need to remove it from the route. Let's leave only on dev branch. And also it has a lot of 3D models files, and we need to delete them from the prod branch as well. So basically clean from this functionality the prod branch. Okay, so we have a plan. Let's go. Now we need to stash. Actually, I heard anti-gravity lets you test the UI. Let's see how it's done. Okay, this. Let's go to plan mode. So, what are the ways for automatic testing of UI? Let's say I have finished some feature. I want, if there is any way using AI to automatically test the UI. What are the possibilities? Would you be able to do that to emulate users' behavior on the UI on the front end and test, discover if there are any bugs? Or what are alternative ways? And what do you know about anti-gravity, if that would be the good option to do that testing? Okay, so we have dark mode. Dark mode, which needs to be fixed in a lot of places, as I understand. Really, I'll start. Okay, so let's first of all commit all the changes there are on this branch. Let's commit, push, and then I guess we need to, or maybe it will be better to finish today's work on development branch and proceed with removing that route from prod later. Switch to plan mode, not to forget this. Okay, so what are the options? Google Anti-Gravity, we're asking about this Google free AI powered IDE. Skill or feature for use case. Okay, so I will let... Okay, I'll do it with anti-gravity. Before that, I'll proceed to fix some bugs. Okay, so committee push to death. Okay, okay, I guess I'll do it later. Okay, let me give it prompts to fix the bugs for now, and then try to fix the dark mode. On ranking page we have cards of the fighters from each division, the champions. Let's please make sure that their size is consistent, because we have cards of fighters from each division, the champions, and their size is inconsistent. Let's fix the size so each cards, all the card sizes are same. Okay, looks fine now. Yeah, much better. Pound for pound rankings I need to delete because this is crazy. Okay. Okay, on the rankings page, as you can see, there is a tab pound for pound rankings. Let's remove this. There is no need for that right now. Let's see the fighters page. Let's see. Actually, what is this fights? We have okay, one more bug. On the fighters page, where we have alphabetical order of fighters, the width of that section is wider than the width of content of header. Please adjust in a way that aligns with the content width of the header. The more I look into the design, the more I want to change it, like more things I keep finding. What is this, bro? Okay, padding. Which component is this? Let's check. This is fighters page. This one. Okay. Let's test. When is it? Okay, this is the one. Now the fighter list section is wider than the search section. Please align them. Okay, now it's aligned. Okay, I think it's fine. This page is ugly. I think I will try to adjust this. Please make this more user-friendly, organized. You 3 variations, don't change the colors. Also, these different colors make it feel a bit messy. Okay, fighter page. Where is the fighter page? Fighters page, fighters page. Yeah, I need fighters page content. I guess this is the one. Fighter profile, where is this? Fighter history. Okay, this is the one. Fighter hero. So this is the one. You want to adjust. So let me check. It's not the one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Yeah, I think so. I think X is the issue here. Yep. Okay. This is much better. Okay, so we have some better options. This option is kind of nice. Let me generate variations for this. Three variations, layout, color is same. Images we can adjust. Okay. No, not a good idea actually. Wait, what happened? Actually, this is unnecessary. On the compare page, once two fighters are being selected, and then we open up the section comparing these two fighters, this section has additional header displaying the fighters and the VS button between them. So, and on top of that we also have selected fighters. So the header of the section is unnecessary. Please, let's remove this and just leave the selected fighters on top. I hope it understands what I meant. Hey, Maxi. No, actually it did work. It did work, but so it worked locally. If I deploy this app to VPS, this bot cannot work there. So only option for me is to try to run it locally on my computer, so it updates the database. So yeah, basically that's it. But it did work in some way. But for now, I will just not prioritize it, because I think I won't be able to run it every stream, every fight night for now. So yeah. but it did work. It passed the bot check of the Bet365. It could not understand that it was bot, so it was successfully checking the live scores and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, okay, nice. Do you know any good sources for buying VPS? Actually, I'm thinking I deployed the app to Vercel yesterday, and I'm thinking to buy domain directly from Vercel. Yeah, I think I need some basic minimum. For this app, will basic hosting plan be enough, or maybe I will need VPS to deploy this? Yeah, I think I would need VPS if I was about to run the bots for fetching from like websites. Yeah, basic hosting is enough for now. Okay, and VPS and this one actually web hosting $1. It's crazy. They offer like $1, like it's super good price. What is this? Unlimited websites, unlimited redundant storage, unlimited databases. Like, whoa, how? This is crazy actually. So I was buying hosting plan on my local, like in my local country. There's some provider, and their tariff is crazy. Like, no, there's basic tariff. Hosting costs I think $4 per month, but it offers you I think 1 GB of storage. But this, I don't know what is this 100 GB. This total amount of disk space allowable for your website content. Okay, that's crazy actually. I will definitely buy from here. Yeah, thanks for advice. Yeah, VPS. Okay, nice. Yeah, I mean, 4 cores, 8 GB memory is pretty good starter, I think. Starter option. Yeah, it depends like what you need. Okay. Okay, so what do we need? What else? Like simulate. We don't need. Okay. Okay, so this one kind of looks a bit weird. Let me check. Okay, pay attention to the striking and grappling sections. We are displaying statistics and we are using 4 different colors for it. Maybe you can try to generate more nice looking color combination. Give me 3 variations. So I'm thinking the name Cage-Wise for this website. What do you guys think? I'm not sure yet, but I was like checking the names and most of the names were already taken. Okay, so the domain one here with this is hosting domain not included, I guess. Cage-Wise, for example. How is this possible? It gives me for $1. Okay, side scan. Will I need this malware security for this app if I deploy it? No, you don't need it. This upsell for traditional shared. Okay. KGY next deploy towards on our PPHP files. Okay. No need for it. It's a bit weird, like how is this like $1 for the domain? Yeah. Okay, that's cool, but see, like this one offers me for $0 domain for 1 year. It's kind of crazy. And it offers me like $1 for 12 months hosting. Let's see, GoDaddy. Yeah, here as well, like 23 cents. So it seems this discount period for this hostings, I guess, for domains. It's actually cool. Yeah. Yeah, I'll definitely buy it. Okay, so okay, modified colors for spite stats. I want to try one thing. Yep, I want to adjust the colors, basically. These colors are too bright, it's like, it feels like a rainbow, so I want to try to darken out them a little bit. These two beiges are not looking good, I think. Active, what does active mean? Okay. Remove it, okay. Go. With this. Okay, so okay, so on the fighter page, you will display the fighter profile, striking, grappling, and record. We use this colored lines. Currently we use like red, blue, green, and light blue. It feels like they are too shiny and bright. Can we try to darken them a bit? So I have noticed. Okay, it has darkened out, but I have noticed. So this colors is like typical, this coloring. Let me open up. This coloring and this type of stats is typical to for AI generated. I kind of don't like it. Maybe I'll try to redesign this stuff, but only if I have the good option. Can you please try 5 variations to create displaying the statistics bars, these colored bars? I want to try a bit different approach. Okay. This one is previous. I actually like this one. Maybe I can even find something on a shit CN website. Some nice components. First dev, maybe. This 21st dev, whenever I open this website, my computer crashes. It's weird. Okay, components. Charts. Interesting options. Okay, let's leave it for now. Needs better planning, I think. Okay, let's explore the dark version. This is fine. Check the event details. This is fine. This is not fine. I think I don't even need stitch for it, maybe. Okay, so let's go. Okay, when we click on the upcoming event and when we click on the fight card, the prediction model opens up, and on the dark version, when we toggle the site to the dark version, the statistics in that model, in the middle of the model statistics, they have white background, and the text content is not visible in the dark mode. So can you please fix it, adjust in a way that the text content is visible in the dark mode. Okay, it's better, but overall I'm not sure if it's like good for the eye. This is my dark version of the page, dark mode. Please review the coloring. I want it to be user-friendly in terms of if the user toggles the dark mode, so all the colors are visible fine for the human eye. Please adjust if it needs adjusting, and maybe give three variations. I also need skeleton for this. Skeleton loader would be nice. Okay, how does Edge Finder look in the dark mode? Let's see. Oh, many edges found actually. Oh, one issue with the databases. Okay, now let's please check. So basically the issue is the fighter's name, Alexander Volkanovski, displays as if he has 0 fights. Oh no, I need to give a better prompt. Not to confuse, I found it somewhere. Fights here. Here he has 0. Yeah, 0. Okay. Fighter named Alexander Volkanovski, when selected, displays as if has 0 fights. Please let's investigate why does he have 0 fights. Please check first of all if he has 0 fights in the database and what could be the reason for it. And I noticed some discrepancies in some fighter statistics. For example, fights count, or some fighters have wrong KO submission count. For example, John Jones fighter, he has 1 KO, 1 submission, and I'm pretty sure he should have more than 1 submission. So let's please investigate it and come back with me with updates, and if it's necessary to run the scraping function for the fighters again, we will do it. Okay, so dark version, maybe instead of dark blue have like this, or actually the fighters photos are big on my version. What's the difference here? Nothing, I think. See, like not a big difference. Black or dark blue, but dark blue is also fine. I think I will leave dark blue for now. So colors are okay, I guess. Okay, while we're investigating database, I guess I want to try out. This is also empty, like this looks like a dark void. Okay, this, and also on white version also, I guess. Okay, let it be for now. I want to test out for bugs. I want to test out. Maybe we'll try out with anti-gravity. Put this. Okay, it's fine. Really, this please gamble responsibly is crazy. Let's remove this. Because this is not a gambling website. Why do I need this text? I don't need this. Okay, so yeah, I have no idea how it's done basically with anti-gravity testing, but okay, where's my to-do list for today? I actually had some plans for today. Okay, so if Alex Volkanovski is broken, I mean, he has 0 stats. Let's compare. Yeah. He has significant strikes, nothing else. No. I don't. So before we start implementing, I need to run some database queries, diagnose the issue, restart our DB investigation to confirm not close. Okay. Okay, right now we have fight cards, events coming up, and fight cards in the events. So when user clicks on it, can see the statistics and predictions. What do we need to do to implement shareable fight cards so user can share on different social networks, Twitter or Facebook? Okay, so what do we need to implement model accuracy tracker? Prediction versus results. So let's say our model displays the predictions before the events, right? So after the event is finished, so we compare our predictions with the actual results. So we have kind of a model accuracy tracker. So we have, I don't know how we display, but we display it to the user. So we have some calibration chart or something where we have the display of the results of our predictions. Let's plan this out. Let's brainstorm. Also, there's one more thing which I wanted. Yeah, one more thing actually. Yeah, okay, this is another topic. Should the share fight cards include AI prediction? Yes. Good prediction of course. What sharing method do you want? Link sharing, download. Share the button opens Twitter, Facebook with a link that shows the rich preview. But option to download card as an image. No. Link sharing, share button opens Facebook. No download. Okay guys, we'll be back. Just a small break.